Apple TV light blinking rapidly, how to fix. Apple TV light blinking rapidly, how to fix. Apple TV light blinking rapidly. If the screen on your Apple TV is flickering, you can fix the problem by rebooting your TV. In order to do this, you need to boot it into DFU mode. To do this, you can use an app called JoyaShare Alt Fix. It allows you to download the latest firmware for your Apple TV. Once you have installed the firmware, your Apple TV will no longer blink quickly. Malfunctioning software. The LED on your Apple TV is blinking rapidly, and this is a sign of a malfunctioning software. If the light is flashing frequently, try to unplug the device from its power source. If the light still blinks rapidly, try restarting your Apple TV by pressing the menu and down keys simultaneously. After rebooting, your Apple TV will be error-free. If the light blinks 3 times, the problem might lie in the power controller. Firmware update. Another cause of the light blinking rapidly is a firmware update. To fix this problem, try unplugging your HDMI cable and reconnecting the device. If the problem persists, try rebooting your Apple TV one more time. This may fix the problem. To find out why your Apple TV is blinking, look in the Settings menu and click on Restart. If you still see the problem, try the steps above. If the issue persists, you may need to restart the Apple TV. If the light on your Apple TV is blinking rapidly, unplug it. If the LED is blinking rapidly, the problem is probably in the power controller. If the problem persists, you can try changing the resolution. The following solutions may help you fix the problem. So, if you're looking for a solution to the blinking light on your Apple TV, keep reading. If the light is blinking rapidly, it could be a result of a number of problems. If the LED is not blinking, you may have a problem with the power controller. In this case, you must unplug the Apple TV and reconnect it to the television. If the LED is blinking rapidly, you may want to consider a firmware update. But if this is not a viable option, there are a couple of other solutions. Unless the light is blinking continuously, you should unplug the Apple TV to prevent it from shutting down. Alternatively, if the light is blinking rapidly, you should unplug the HDMI cable and restart the TV. If the problem still persists, contact Apple Support Center. You can get the required help at the Support Center. If the light is blinking rapidly, you should take action to fix it as soon as possible. The light on your Apple TV may be blinking rapidly if a software update is currently being performed on the device. To fix this, you can follow these steps. If these steps do not resolve the problem, try a different cable or USB port. Using another HDMI cable, you can connect the Apple TV to the TV. Then, you can watch the video from the Apple TV. The problem could be the HDMI receiver or the switch, but there are other fixes that will fix the problem as well. The light on your Apple TV is blinking rapidly and it is important to change the resolution. It is possible that the issue may be caused by a malfunctioning HDMI cable or by a low-quality image. To fix the problem, you can change the resolution in your Apple TV by pressing the menu and down keys. Once you've fixed the issue, you can try watching videos from your Apple TV. If your Apple TV is blinking rapidly and you have an HDMI cable plugged in, it is possible that the power controller is causing the problem. If you have this problem, you can reboot your TV by disconnecting it and then plugging it back in. Afterwards, you can use the remote to press the menu and down keys simultaneously. After this, you should wait for at least 2 minutes to see if the light returns to normal. Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, podcast, Apple TV blinking light.